Welcome back to my channel, Ipsha's Twister.
3, 2, 1.
Many respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ipsha Raj and I study in class 4C. I love reading books as they give us knowledge and entertain us at the same time. I also love Barbie dolls. I also love reading Barbie book series. Barbie book series are so fun and motivational. I have shared a review of Barbie Story Book collection earlier, but this time I am going to share another Barbie book which I have read recently. The name of the book is Barbie Starlight Adventure. This book is published by Parallel Publication. This book, the price of the book is 350 rupees. This book is good for the kids age above 7. Let's take a look inside the book. The book is very nice. The pages are smooth. Illustration is very beautiful. The illustration is very beautiful. Each page contains very beautiful picture. The font of the story is very clear, and the story is written at the corner of each page. It's based on a screenplay played by Casey Arnold and Kate Bottlier. The story is adapted by Victoria Saxon. The story is illustrated by Charles Pickens and Patrick Ian Maas. This story is very interesting and magical. This story is based on a special girl called Barbie lived on a planet Paradise with her father far from our own. They love to take care of other planets' animals and learn from them. One day, Barbie's father came with a message from King Constantine that the stars have begun to fade and disappear. All the universe and all its people are in danger. So he has chosen Barbie to help with his mission to save the stars from disappearing. So Barbie joins a new group of friends, each one with some special abilities. And this story moves around Barbie and her mission. And at the end, you will know, will they be able to save the stars before it's too late or not? If you read this story, you will feel adventurous and exposed to a very interesting and thrilling and magical incident that happened with Barbie while she was saving the stars from disappearing. We learned a lesson that we should love everyone, whether it's a human or any other type of creatures. We also learned that each one of us has some special quality, so we should never underestimate each other, nor should we curl. Whether we should live and work together, because there is strength in unity, and if we use our powers and work together, we can do the best and reach difficult goals. I absolutely love this book. I also recommend all of you to read this book. This book improves our reading and writing skills. And if I have to give this book a star rating, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. I hope you like my review. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like my review, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye.